route. Whole niggas take the bitch route, simping to the mom on some child abuse shit. Now she blowing on the sun. Backpack full of dildos on Bohemian Grove trip. Let us know she's a fag playing with kids like Onerosa. Should've slapped her off the mic with the 4-5 ACP. Fast forward 2020, now my name is in her skit. Only problem, we ain't laughing, West guns for the show. XLI ramifications, we about to smoke that hoe. Fucking with my shit, ain't no fucking with my shit. If I wasn't rapping, I'd be flexing with the clip banger, cause it's 16 and the bitch is out of bounds. No respect for whole shit, use a motherfucking clown.
You pinky ring wear, bitch. All I rock is watches and chains. California is banging on them. Yeah. Nah. Yeah.